Guys, welcome back to my channel. As all of you know that we are doing 30 days art challenge and today is day 8 and today's challenge is draw a cute little girl holding flower in her hands. So let's get started. First of all, we'll draw a circle to draw the face of our girl. This is the face. Now two small circles to draw the eyes and a big smile. Okay, now just draw. We'll first of all draw the hands of our girl holding flower. Isn't it so cute? These are her hands and arm. Okay. This is her purse, a small purse or wallet that she is carrying. As you know that girls always carry a pouch, purse or something to keep their goodies. They can't move. I can't move without my pouch. Legs. This is basically a stick drawing. So even the smallest kids can learn to draw by drawing this. Now just start drawing the hair. Okay, so our cute little girl drawing is complete. Now let's start coloring. So first of all, I'm going to color the eyes, color the face. I have pastel brush pens also. So this is a brown shade of pastel brush pens. You can buy them from market. Dom's pastel brush pens. So cute and beautiful she is. Okay, now let's just color up the hair. Here I'm using yellow color brush pen to color the hair. Okay, so I have colored the hair by using yellow color. Now I'm gonna use that brown color to draw the hair. Make it some more realistic hair. Not that much, but it will give the feeling of hair in her ponytail. Okay, now just color up the dress. I am using red color here to color the dress. You can use any color, pink, yellow, blue, purple, whatever you like. You can do it. Okay, finally we'll color up the flower that is in her hand. She is holding. Just give it a nice touch, and that's it. And also I'm going to color up her purse with pink color, and also pink rubber band. Now we will color the hearts with red color, and our cute little girl drawing holding flower in her hands is complete. Friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.